Hi TTSD community. Today I'm going to share how to access Sora eBooks and audiobooks. As you can see on this infographic, there are multiple ways to access Sora. You could select the Library tab from TTSD Schools or any TTSD school website. Download the Sora app. Visit soraapp.com/library/TTSDOR, or you could visit the Sora link on one-to-one-library.org. Once you're on any TTSD school site, select the Library tab. Select your grade level. Select Sora. From here, you will be directed to log in with your TTSD Google account. Once Sora has loaded, you will automatically go to the Explore tab. This will share featured collections and popular subjects. You can select any of these popular subjects. You could also add a public library card to have even more books to search for. To do that, click on the hamburger menu in the upper right tab and select Add a Library. Next, you can search for a book. If you have this checked, it will automatically search all libraries. Tiger Twelden's books will always be at the top, then your other options will be linked below. Once you've found a book you'd like to borrow, you can select Borrow. TTSD students and staff can borrow 3 books at once from Tiger Twelden's collection, and they can also place 3 books on hold. Once you're here, your book will automatically start downloading so that you can access it when you are offline or when you don't have a strong internet connection. You can look at all of your books if you click on the shelf, and you can click on the home page to look at your loans and any assignments that you may have. You could also select the Me tab to look at your reading stats and any achievements that you may have earned. Thanks for tuning in. Have fun reading!